If you're watching this video, it is not by coincidence. Definitely, you are interested to learn hypnosis. You want to join offline hypnosis workshop. Hi, I'm Magic Leo. I'm an international hypnosis mentor and it's been 30 years I am practicing hypnosis and it's been 20 years I am teaching hypnosis. I have students around the globe in US, in Canada, in Mexico, in India, in Dubai and many other countries. I'm hosting a 2 days hypnosis workshop in Vasant Kunj, Delhi. Let me give you reasons why you should attend this workshop. You will be able to hypnotize a very good subject within 3 to 30 seconds. You will be able to access deeper level of subconscious mind to bring changes drastically and automatically. You will be stress-free. You can get rid of fear, phobia, anger, anxiety, and limiting beliefs and any negative emotions. You will be able to empower and enhance your confidence, your courage, your calmness, your creativity, your productivity, your focus and your concentration, or any positive qualities you want to enhance. You will be more intuitive. You will take faster and right decision. Make hypnosis as a profession. You can earn good amount of money. In this 2 days workshop, you will be practicing hypnosis with other participants. If you're still thinking, should I invest 5,999 for this 2 days hypnosis workshop, let me help you with this. You have two choices. You can save 5,999 in your bank. Most probably it will be spent in 2 or 3 days. Or you can invest 5,999 in a life-changing 2 days hypnosis workshop. Choice is all yours. You can keep the money or you can invest to make your life better. Seats are limited. We take only 20 registration so that we can give proper attention to you. Only 20 seats are available and it gets filled very fast. So register before it's too late. See you inside the workshop.